Sometimes your vehicle purchase doesn't need to be anything special. You need something a little bit more utilitarian. This 1998 Ford F-150 with 69,000 miles and four-wheel drive checks all those boxes. Really cool, more utilitarian than special vehicle for you guys here today. This is a 1998 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive with 69,377 actual miles. It's a clean Carfax, clean Autocheck, no accidents or damage ever reported. We also have the original owner's manuals, which goes with the truck. And just a clean, stock style truck you can hop in and drive every single day. Buy for yourself, buy for your kid if you need something to use as an everyday driver where you want to teach them how to use a manual transmission. It really doesn't get much better than this. Easy truck to drive with the manual, has good power to do what you want it to do, and just an easy, reliable truck that can do what you, again, need it to do. But for, again, starters, this one has the Triton 4.6, making 220 horse and 290 foot-pounds of torque, and then it is optioned with the less common 5-speed manual transmission. A lot of these trucks were the automatics, but this one is a 5-speed, which is really cool. The transmission shifts through the gears great. It's an easy truck to cruise down the road. You have all your standard mechanical equipment like power steering, power disc brakes, factory heat and AC, which again both work like they should. The air is nice and cold, the heat blows hot, and it drives like a low mileage truck. These are known for going 200,000+ miles. The Triton motors, the 4.6s or the 5.4s are good, reliable setups. Had a bunch of them over the years, and this one being a stock setup drives just great. Still retains the original exhaust system on it, so you don't really hear much of the exhaust coming out the back. You can put some flow masters on here if you want it to be a little bit more aggressive, sound like a truck, but the factory exhaust system does work, does its job. You really hear more motor than you do exhaust, and when we get in the throttle here in just a little bit, you'll hear that. On the interior, it's the Graphite captain's chairs interior with your fold-down armrests here. You have your center console, which is in great condition. A few little nicks on the plastic portion of the console, and then a little bit of discoloration on the armrest, and then the grab handles here on both sides. Really minimal. The headliner, the visors, the plastics on the dash, all of that is great. Carpet looks good, floor mats look good. The only disclaimer really on the interior is it looks like it had like a little decal mounted to the front of the dash over there on the passenger side at one point. You might be able to wipe that off a little bit better than we were able to, but there's really no issues on the inside here. The gauges are clear and easy to read. You still have your factory stereo, your heat and AC controls, your cup holders which pop open and close like they should. Same thing with the glove box and the center console lid. All of that stuff works exactly like it should. Steering wheel has a little bit of age on the top of it from where your hand would sit, but nothing is frayed, nothing's coming loose there. You have your factory four-wheel drive shifter on the ground, which works correctly. You have 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. Four-wheel drive system, again, works exactly like it should. The only item that we have listed on this one is not working is going to be the washer fluid sprayers, and that could be something super simple as the lines could be plugged up, the little pump needs to be replaced. Very minor repair there. That is going to be the only item listed as a no on this one. The Does It Work section will be posted on the website, pcclassiccars.com. How you're going to find it is click on this piece of inventory in the inventory tab, scroll to the very bottom, you'll see that additional media section for this truck, and it will be in there along with the other goodies. Obviously not designed to win any races, but it is a great truck to use as a daily driver. The motor has plenty of power to do what you want to do. If you do need to tow something, you can, because you have your 2-inch receiver hitch in the back. That transmission again shifts through the gears great. The clutch engages where you want it to. No complaints from this truck motor transmission wise. On the underneath, very solid pickup. The inner rockers, the floors, the bottom side of the cab, and the bottom side of the bed, it all check out great. There are no rust issues. Looks like a well cared for truck since new. It really looks like a lower miles than 69,000. That is what it is, 69,380. but the underneath does look like a lower mileage truck. On the exterior, it is a Vermillion red exterior. It does represent as original paint front to back. Has its little stone chips on the front of the hood, just minor little stuff. A couple little nicks on both of the doors, and same thing with the bed sides. All superficial little cosmetic touch-ups, nothing to write home about, nothing that's major. Cosmetically, the truck is very nice. Tires are 2024 and 2025, respectively front to the back, stock style wheels, all of that is in great condition. You have your Weston side steps, you have a drop-in bed liner in the back, probably both of those have been on the truck since they were basically brand new. A couple other things I forgot to mention here on the inside, you have your creature comforts like power windows, power locks, cruise, and tilt. All of that stuff functions exactly like it should. And if I didn't mention it before, the imperfections on the truck, interior and exterior, you will see a bunch of photos of that in that additional media tab on the website pcclassiccars.com, so make sure you guys check that out. As far as your suspension goes for this particular F-150, it all checks out like original equipment. These, being that it is a regular cab short bed step side, they look great with a little lift on it or a little level kit in the front to bring them up if you wanted to. Someone could do that, a little 2-inch lift on the front, but it doesn't need to be done. Just my little disclaimer there of what I would personally do. The suspension checks out great, steering is nice and tight, truck goes where you want it to go, no shakes, no rattles, no pulls either direction, it stops true, it stops straight, no weird noises coming from anywhere on the truck front or rear. It's an easy truck to drive down this bumpy road, it's not beating me to death, has a good comfortable road feel. As far as your glass goes, you do have a few little nicks in the windshield. Right to the right of your driver's vision, there's a little stone chip right there on the front of the windshield. And then you have some delamination happening over on the outside corner of the windshield on the passenger side. Probably the original windshield to the pickup. Really notorious for getting delamination, so just having it over there in the corner isn't the big end of the world. Power windows roll up and down like they should. The mirrors work as well. It is a fixed back glass. Got your little courtesy lights here that all work. Rear view mirror is clear and easy to see out of. Roll into the throttle here in a second a little bit. Test out the little Triton number 6. Smooth, easy shifts. Hear that motor. Really performs well. I think it's a unique setup being a 4-wheel drive regular cab short bed step side with the 4.6 and the 5-speed. You just don't see it very often. Or if you do, they have 250,000 miles on it because someone bought it and used it as a work truck. And finding one with 69,000 miles is great miles. There's tons and tons of life left in this pickup. When you pop the hood, it's all OE, very factory in there. It is the original 4.6 that this truck was born with. Fluids, hoses, belts, serviceable items, everything is ready to roll on this one. Charging system is doing its job. Someone said, Mike, hop in this truck and drive it anywhere you want to go. You never know when something simple can go wrong, but I'm very confident in the mechanicals on this pickup where I would feel very safe, very comfortable going just about anywhere you'd want me to go in this one. It's a comfortable truck to drive. The captain's chairs are an enjoyable seat to sit in. Really, my disclaimer list is kind of non-existent on this one. The washer fluid sprayers will probably take you 5 minutes to diagnose and fix. And that's it on this one. Drive the hell out of it. Put another 200,000 miles on it over the next 10 years and you're ready to roll. Get an opportunity to go through the gear set here one more time after this truck. There you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1998 Ford F-150 regular cab step side 4-wheel drive pickup with 69,000 miles. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across the social platforms every single day. Catch you guys on the next video.